Close our eyes, not to the panel. Okay. Sadly, the whole panel also will be with eyes closed and hands up. That will make for a great picture. Actually, we could do that. That would be a good picture to have. Okay, so let's just do this. I just want to understand it myself. Then one last quick fire question with each of them. So let's just all close your eyes, okay, and raise your hand. We'll start with all 100% saying yes. Could we do that, please? Yes. All of you? Yeah. So hands raised and eyes closed. Okay, I see about 3% of you have your hands raised. So could you all raise your hands, please? Okay, I think 50% is good. Okay, let's just find out how many of you would like a dress that actually has LEDs in it, and when you walk into a party, the dress color changes according to your mood. So if you're really angry, it's a bright, beautiful red, and if you're not, if you're in a very mellow mood, it's blue. How many of you would like a dress like that? All the men have their hands up, that's good. So, you know, thank you so much. I think none of your hands came down, so you did like it, and that gentleman's hand is up. He wants that dress for sure. Still up. Right? This is a question to you. I wanted to find out.
He understands that probably.
Are these two worlds ready for each other? Because the fashion world thinks dramatically differently, the technology world thinks dramatically differently. For people to think that we want a dress that lights up when we walk into a party, is that too niche?
I think fashion and technology being integral, like Ami said. Yeah, you know, it started with sportswear. Performance wear really needed the technology for wicking and climate control and all of that. Today, you see technology moving into design, into forms, into shapes. 3D design, making clothes, that kind of stuff. And there's particularly one wonderful couture designer called Iris van Harpen from Amsterdam, yes, who's doing these 3-dimensional, wonderful clothes. And I think that the next time all you need to do is stand in front of a machine and wish for something, and that dress comes out and you wear it. And I think this is what is going to be the future. And I believe that we are on the path for this merger, because while technology will always drive what is going to happen, innovation, but I think the ideas are going to be really important, you know, because the machines cannot think. Machines can create, but they need someone to think. So it's your vision that will create the world of the future.
Fantastic. So I think the merger has started.
This fashion and technology have always been together since the days of Kapil Dev, who both in kya chunte saans lete hain.
So yeah, even now
light shoes are in these days. I mean, US recently for the concert, a lot of people were using light LED shoes.
Yeah. And breathable shoes, and it happened.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, last one. This is to you, Ushman.
Yeah.
Let's find out. You've got yourself a shirt.
Yeah, with a chip.
With a chip. Now, let's say Arrow gives you one more. So now I'm going to ask you 3 or 4 questions of certain kind of smart clothing and technology, and who in your film industry would be perfect, who would you gift that to? So the first one is, we'll start simple. One more smart Arrow shirt given to you, who would you present it to?
The thing is, I've never seen Ranveer wearing like a classic...
Clothes? Oh, okay.
like a classic shirt.
Okay.
And he's very radical with his sense of style, which is amazing. And I think it will be really interesting to see him wear an Arrow shirt with the chip inside.
I wonder what he'll program it to do. that you'll have to have a separate Ranveer chip inside that for sure, right? Okay, second one is the one that I gave an example of. So who in the film industry would really love, and you would gift a dress that changes colors according to her mood?
I think I'm working with Pariniti right now, and recently we've been discovering her singing talent as well. So I guess with that switching from acting to singing and the mood swings and everything, I think I think acting and singing have to be different moods. You know, either you're lip syncing or you're singing. So I think that is
okay. So now Ranveer's got something, Pariniti's got something.
Yeah.
Let's go with a smart T-shirt that actually can rip your muscles by the press of one chip.
That's for me.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't get a character in any film where I have to show my muscles. I get those realistic films which you don't know, जहाँ muscle दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Do I have to pick a lot of stuff? But
so anyway, just the smart T-shirt.
This is for me.
All right. Okay. The last one is a smart underwear which you went with. Let's not go there. That could be a lot of trouble for the world of fashion and technology.
I think it should be for everybody.
We all need smart underwear. All right. Okay. So I am now. The panel is open now for questions. Do raise your hand. and I'll come to you and we'll get a mic to you and to identify yourself. We'll start with you, sir.
Well, congrats to the Aero team and the whole of the all of you for coming up with such a great innovation.
Only the Aero team that came up, not us.
So Ayushmann, no doubt you are the smartest man on the dice.
Yeah, that makes us all feel very good.
He's the one.
Okay, so
Thanks, Guru. Sorry, take Guru.
So how is Ayushmann, how you start your day? The smartest things, what you do in your whole of the day? Like?
Smartest things.
He wakes up.
On time. Wake up on time, have warm water and do riyaz in the morning. Practice my lower scale vocals, and that's the smartest thing I do. It's very different in the morning.
Great, all right.
Ayushmann, it's really good to see you here, second time for the same brand, और क्या हम उम्मीद कर सकते हैं, this is the second time you are here for Aero. आने वाले वक्त में you are there with a mobile in your cuff,
The whole mobile phone.
पूरा का पूरा mobile phone इसके अंदर.
आयुष्मान तो सोच रहे हैं कि कप की भी जरूरत नहीं है.
And what was your reaction the moment Aero people approach you with the same, they are coming with this smart shirt, another one?
I think I got this demo early in the morning today, and I thought, as I told you earlier, it will be difficult to fold and then make it work, but it's just working. So I guess it's quite innovation for sure. I think I'll be using it for sure.
Okay, मुंबई की बारिश सब जानते हैं कि किस हिसाब से होती है और कितनी ज़्यादा होती है. क्या ये शर्ट बारिश में भी पहनी जा सकती है? तो
ये अभी पहन के बैठे हैं.
फिर लहू-लुहान हो गया, लेकिन चिपका कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा.
Actually, wanted you to say a dialogue in Hindi from one of your films about a Barish ka shirt. That's what he wanted.
बारिश का डायलॉग तो नहीं, बारिश का गाना बना.
So that was a hint for you to break into song.
Okay. Are you serious?
Absolute stunt silence now. Obviously. When it's a pregnant
The cough is quite tough.
So why don't you just tap it and start?
I have cough.
All right, we'll take one or two more questions. All the panelists are available. Who's next?
do we need any particular
Ayushmann.
app for this shirt to function?
Oh, that's a good question.
Aero app is there, huh?
Sorry?
Any particular app for this shirt?
That's for it?
Yes. So he did demonstrate it to you. There's a very, very small little app that's available, and that gives you the capability to use the chip in any which way that you like, program it like Ayushmann did. He went from having WhatsApp, which he programmed as his favorite app to open, and it's really simple. It's all one click, and the app is, I think it's just called Aero right now, but if you do Aero shirt on Play Store, you can actually download.
So if I don't have the app and I tap my phone on its cuff, then I won't.
You have to have the chip have something that you programmed into it. So that's why it says write. Once you programmed it, as in you put in that information, you say write it onto the chip. It gets written onto the chip, and then if anybody else taps. So for you need the app. Other people don't need an app. They just need an NFC form. That's about it.
And it needs to be an Android.
And these,
As of now.
As of now.
and these Aero shirts are meant especially for, under the blazer or separate for without blazers. Like Ayushmann looking smart in black paint and pink shirt.
He also tried it over the blazer.
If he doesn't wear grey pant,
कोशिश बहुत की सर
blazer on
ऊपर
that.
शर्ट पहनने के बाद
तो पहनना चाहिए साथ में या अलग बनी है शर्ट
पर इन्होंने टी-शर्ट के ऊपर शर्ट पहनी है, आप देख सकते हैं. Yeah.
और आयुष्मान जी आप एक गाना सुनाएंगे तो बड़ा अच्छा है.
See, I tell you what, वो इतने आराम से उन्होंने subtly hint दिया आपको. उन्होंने बोला आप hint तो दे नहीं रहे हो, सीधा ही पूछ लो.
I think I should, yeah. I'm not singing पानी जा रहा है, बहुत बारिश हो चुकी है. Nobody wants water right now. We want sunshine. My own rendition of मोमो के धागे. ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, ये टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. Thank you so much.
Very smart singing.
You actually have a good voice there.
Yeah, very smart singing that awesome chip in you.
sir, पर आप फोन पे बात
He
करने के बाद
not only
Okay,
wears the
Ayushmann,
chip shirt, he also sings well.
Okay, Ayushmann, continue the same, as you sung the Dam Laga Ke Aisha ka song.
We can't see who this is. The gentleman at the back.
आयुष्मान उसी शो को लेके, मतलब आपकी फिल्म को लेके ही एक शो बनाया जा रहा है सेम थीम को लेके, दैट यशराज इज प्रोड्यूसिंग.
how proud you feel, you know, your film converting into a serial, and that too by
लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ ऐसे भी सीरियल्स हैं जो फिल्में बन जाए.
लेकिन आपकी फिल्म से इंस्पायर होके वो बनाया.
Yeah, I think it was another path-breaking films of 2015, and I'm really proud to be part of the film. And the span of 4 years, I did 2 national awards in Vicky Donor and Dam Laga Ke Isha. But Dam Laga Ke Isha was quite radical with 2 odd. It's an odd couple in the film. Both are complex characters, and I think all the body shammers will be given an answer by the TV show as well after Dam Laga Ke Isha.
Very nice, very well.
Yeah, my question to Suresh. So, in past